Hi, I'm Alexandra with Alarm New England, and people come to us all the time because they want to switch from one existing security company to another. So, for people that are currently unhappy with their current provider for one reason or another, whatever it might be, technology, service, uh, the things that you might want to think about if you're going to make a switch are: number one, am I under contract? You want to call your existing company and make sure that you're not currently under a monitoring contract, because most of them do require a 75% buyout of the balance of the monitoring rate on that contract. The second thing, so make sure that you actually can make a switch without incurring a large cost. The second thing is think about whether or not you want to reuse any of your existing equipment. If you invested $5,000-$10,000 into an amazing security system 15 years ago, you very likely, if you work with a professional security company, they can reuse all of that equipment and really just sort of upgrade the main brain of the system by putting in new keypads and a new control panel. And then you're able to add locks, lights, thermostats, cameras, cellular control, whatever you want. However, if you have a really small existing system, say, and 2 door contacts and 2 motion detectors, it might actually be more cost effective to just put in a brand new wireless system, because you don't have to convert any of the existing hardwired zones. So sort of depending on what you have, you may or may not want to reuse your existing equipment, and you definitely want to ask the security companies you're talking to if they can do that, because it can save you a lot of money. The third thing is to think about what you don't like about your current company and make sure that you're profiling a company that is going to provide you a different type of service. So for example, if you've been really unhappy with the hold times in a large call center because you do business with a multi-billion-dollar organization, chances are if you then go and you switch to, say, a large cable provider, you're going to have a pretty similar service experience. So if in the past you've been unhappy because your alarm company is so small they can't get a service technician out to you quickly, then you might want to go with a larger company. If you're unhappy because of the lack of service because the company is so big, don't go with another big company. Those would be my recommendations, but it is very easy to switch from one company to another as long as you don't have Comcast, SimpliSafe, or LiveWatch, because those companies have proprietary technology that can't be switched from one provider to another.